What are delicate material or delicate fabrics? Say, for example, a customer comes to your laundry business for the first time and now say, sir, I have some delicate material. Please, I want you to handle with care for me. What does it refer to? That customer refers that this material, they are fragile, easily to damage, easily to slag, easily to be destroyed. So what the customer wants from you is for you to wash those clothes with auto care and quality reasoning. There's some clothes you don't wash with the washing machine because they can bleed. They bleed easily, or they can tear easily because they're very light in texture. Some of them, you don't iron them because if you iron them, the iron will damage the coloration of the cloth or will burn the cloth. You see, those are called delicate material. It can be your ashebi, it can be some clothes that don't need ironing. There's some clothes that don't need washing machine. They don't need rigorous washing because they're not much dirty. Use your hand and then wash. Example of such, you see this leather shirt. This shirt is a leather shirt. I cannot wash this one in the washing machine. Why? Because if I do, all of these places, some of them will peel off. Because when the cloth becomes to rumble into that in the washing machine, if the rumble this off, it will tear it off. So I don't wash this one in the washing machine. What I will do, I will put it separately and wash it hand. This is a leather material. Hand washing will make it clean and clear. And then after I finish washing this material, I won't iron it. If I want iron this material, I will iron it inside out. I will iron it the inside out. See, the outside is not leather. I can put the iron inside this place and then iron from outside. It will affect the outside. You see? So if you put iron inside this material now to iron, it will just burn this place and the material is damaged. So that's why this one is called a delicate material. So if you want to iron something like this as a leather, don't iron it in the front. Iron it from the inside and you affect the outside because it's delicate material. It can shrink, it can burn, and it can easily snag. Also, something like this, you see these baggages? This is a baggaging. You see it now? But now, it's a delicate material. Why? Because there are beads all over it. You see this bead? From this side to this side, there's a bead all over. From here, you see the bead, long bead. These chains, this bead now, if I put it in the washing machine also and wash with other clothes, and the keyboard company at one point, it will make some of these chains, all of this bead, all of this will fall off, and the customer will not be happy. So what will I do now? It's either I turn it upside down to wash, or I put it separately and wash it hand. Wash the leg, wash the lap, and then all of that. Because all of some delicate materials. Because if anything happens to them, the customer will not be happy with you. That's like this. Also, there's some clothes you don't iron. They are set iron. Those woven clothes they are set iron. They don't need iron. You can wash them, but don't iron them. And then there's materials they bleed. They do color bleeding every time. You don't wash them with other clothes because they cannot. They will just easily stain, but they cannot remove. The stain cannot be removed. So these are delicate material. How you wash delicate material? You wash it separately. Yes, from other materials. Yes. Some clothes, when you are washing them like this, it will make the slag, and oversize. So you don't need to scrub everywhere. Just pick the neck, wash the side, and then do your thing. Don't overstretch. And sometimes, delicate material also, the detergent you are using may affect them. That's why I say you should use bar soap. I keep on saying V-bar and all of that. Yes. So use bar soap and mind the detergent to wash them because some harsh detergent will make the clothes look muddy, the color will change. And then the material will be damaged. The customer will not be happy with you. So this you must know in the laundry business. If you want to know more about the laundry business, I can contact Palms Academy International. We'll get back to you. Or you have any idea, have any question to ask, go in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Don't forget to follow us. Go to our YouTube channel at Palms Academy International. There's some video I did up there that will help you to grow your laundry business from start to finish. But if you want one method with me, drop in the comment section. I am interested, and then I'll get back to you. See you next week. Bye.